How to customize pages in Shopify. So first go to Shopify and then just click on online store here at the left side. Then click on pages. Okay, now you can see all of your pages here. Just select the page that you want to customize. So for example, I'm going to customize this one. Click on it and then you'll see your page here. Now here you can begin customizing the title here. So let's say I'm going to add, instead of contact, I'll just add, let's say, test here, test contact, or let's say customers. And then you can begin adding content here as well. So let's say, let's generate a text here. Click on generate. Okay, now click on keep. Oh wait. For my store. Okay, click on keep. Okay, there you go. Now you can begin formatting the, let's say, how it would look like here as well. So let's say you want it to make it bigger here, or you want it to make it smaller, you can do that as well. And then if you want it to make it bold, you can do that. You can just play around with the options here. And then you can also choose or change the visibility here as well. So that's about it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.